Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlet with Scarlet's Little Crafty Corner, and today I have got an unboxing, bagging, tubing, whatever you want to call this. I hope everybody's doing great today, and thank you to all my subscribers, all my new subscribers. I appreciate each and every one of you, and if you could please give me a thumbs up, I would appreciate it. That way I know that you enjoy the videos that I put out. And if you're not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And also, you can hit the bell. That way you know when I have a new video coming out. So, I am still on my no-buy for the year, y'all. Lord knows I have enough diamond paintings for quite a few people. But number one, I'm going to try this reward system that everybody else is doing that's on the no-buy, where if you complete so many, you can buy one, I think's how they're doing it. Well, I seen this one on Amazon one night, and I could not pass this up, y'all. This is from Artdot. It does come in this tube with this plastic on it, which I am going to remove right now so we can look at this. Y'all, I gave $4.99 for this. Right now it is on sale. I will leave a link to this in my description box, and it is an affiliate link, so if you click on it and you purchase this, I'll make a teeny tiny little commission off of it. But I have to let y'all know, this is right now on sale, 20% off, and it is like $3 and something. You cannot pass that up. So let's open this up. Alright, so first off, here's the toolkit, which comes in this very nice bag. I hate to tear the bag up, but whoop. Alright, so in the toolkit, you are going to get a blue heart of wax. You're going to get a single placer pen. All this is, like, you can't hardly see it because of my blue cloth there. But this is kind of a blue tinted single placer pen. But they do have, it looks like a 3-placer on here. It comes with a blue squishy, a nice amount of washi tape. This is all probably random. Comes with a very cute little blue tray. Very nice. And then you get these 2 little stickers, which I'm assuming are random also. So, there's that. And then, here are the drills. Very pretty. This is a round. Very pretty. Very vivid. Sorry about the lighting. I changed my light from over here to over here, and it's still putting off a darn glare. I don't know. I don't know what to do with it. Alright, so there's the drills, and now I am going to pull the canvas out. So let me move all of this out of the way. Alright, so this is the kit. It comes with your big sticker. This is a 50 by 25 centimeter. So that's not a bad size at all. Now, this has got the scalloped edges on it to keep it from fraying. Plus, it has been serged. It's got the velvety back on the back. let me flatten it out just a little. It's already flattening itself out, but let's just get this little curve out of it. I love the colors because you've got every color of the rainbow in here pretty much, for the most part anyway. All right, and very sticky. It has got 35 colors. So here is the schematic, and it goes to 24, and then it continues over here on the bottom right hand side. There is the thumbnail, and here is your friendly and hassle-free customer service. Right there. It has all the info. It's a round. It's going to have 15,576 drills. It's a 20 by 10 inch or a 50 by 25 centimeter. And there is your SKU number. And then up here at the top, it has their logo on it, Artdot. So again, it comes with this big sticker that you can put on the, well, I don't know why you wouldn't want to put it on here because it's already got it on there. But you can put the sticker in your logbook or wherever you'd like. All of these are individual stickers. So you can, if you want, you can use these on whatever you kit up with. And it looks like we might have some, or a couple of drills in here. Maybe they're ABs. I don't know. Yeah, here's one. Okay, well, let's just look at them. I don't normally do this, but we'll just look at them. Very pretty colors. Okay, so here is one AB, which is, well, let's see. Why is this all? Oh, that's the SKU number. Okay, so number 4 is going to be 307, which you can see. They're very pretty. And like I said, again, very bright colors. And I've seen several people unbox this kit and do this kit, and it is super pretty when it is finished with all these colors. It is gorgeous. But y'all, like I said, I gave $4.99 for it, and it's now on sale for $3 something. I think it was like $3.49, $3.59, something like that. Like I said, I'll leave the link below, and you can check it out yourself. All right, and here is the other AB, which is number 34, which is $37.55. So extremely pretty, bright, vivid colors. This is going to be super, super pretty. Super pretty. So again, this is from Artdot. I had to jump on the bandwagon because, like I said, I've seen a lot of people unboxing this. And I really like Artdot. They've got really good products. So, but I couldn't beat the price. Even on a no-buy, y'all. I had to get it. So I'm going to consider this. I have actually done 5 diamond paintings, although they have been small 30 by 40s, but I don't care. This is my treat to me for completing 5 diamond paintings in 4 weeks. So in the month of January, I have completed 5 diamond paintings. So this is my treat to me. So I may or may not do this every time I do 5. I might do, since I'm doing 30 by 40, trying to get some of them knocked out, I might, make it to where I have to do 10 or more, maybe 15 30 by 40s in before I, treat myself. But I don't know yet. We'll see. So anyway, y'all, go check the link out. Go click on the link. Go check this out. If you have not got this kit, get it for $3. Come on, y'all can't beat that. Even the tray alone, if you were to buy a tray from somebody, you're going to pay more than $3 for just a tray. So, all right, y'all. Anyway, that's all I got for you today, and I hope you enjoy this video. Please remember to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and click that notification bell so you know when I have another video. So, all right, y'all. I appreciate you, and I hope you all have a great day. Bye, y'all.